Looking for peace of mind with your next purchase? Check out this car with a clean Carfax and an amazing dealer service history, including 26 service records. The owner's manual is included, so you'll have everything you need to know about this vehicle. Recent service valued at over $660, including a pre-delivery inspection, serpentine belt, drive belts, spark plug replacement, fresh oil and filter, and an air filter. This car is ready to go. This vehicle comes with current Georgia state emissions and is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile quality plus warranty. Plus, when you buy today, you can add a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, along with the option to upgrade to a lifetime warranty. As always, we encourage pre-purchase inspections to ensure you feel confident in your decision. Visit us today and drive away with a vehicle that's been carefully maintained for your peace of mind.